Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel Copilot. This innovative AI assistant is designed to transform your spreadsheet experience, making data analysis and manipulation much more intuitive. Copilot leverages artificial intelligence to understand your intentions, offering smart suggestions, generating complex formulas, and providing valuable insights as you work. It's like having a highly knowledgeable Excel expert right by your side, ready to assist with your tasks. Before you can harness the power of Copilot in Excel, there are a few essential requirements. First, you'll need an active Microsoft 365 subscription, such as personal, family, or business, that supports Copilot. Additionally, a specific Copilot license is required, which can be purchased individually or assigned by your organization. Make sure your Excel application is updated to the latest version, and importantly, your Excel files must be stored in OneDrive or SharePoint with autosave turned on for Copilot to function. Once you meet the requirements, activating Copilot is straightforward. Open your Excel application and sign in using the Microsoft account associated with your Copilot license. If the Copilot icon isn't immediately visible, go to the File tab, select Account, and then click Update License. After this, the Copilot icon should appear in your Excel ribbon, usually on the Home tab. Remember, for Copilot to effectively analyze your data, it's crucial to format your data as an Excel table. With Copilot enabled, you unlock a wide array of powerful features. It can analyze your data to spot trends, highlight outliers, and provide concise summaries, all through natural language prompts. Copilot also excels at generating and explaining complex formulas, making advanced calculations accessible to everyone. You can ask it to create various charts and pivot tables for data visualization, or even assist with data cleaning, sorting, filtering, and applying conditional formatting, significantly boosting your productivity and data understanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.